Watch this video to the end and learn how to solve problem under projectiles. A tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate the time of flight. So this question is under projectile motion. We are going to find time of flight. So let's see. A tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second. So that means initial velocity u equals to 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees. So theta angle equals to 60 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate time of flight. So let's write the formula of time of flight. The formula is T equals to 2u sine theta over g. So this is the formula of time of flight. So let's make a substitution. T equals to 2, then u is the initial velocity, which is this, times 3, then sine theta, the angle is 60 degrees, divided by g. And we know g is acceleration due to gravity, which is always 10 or 9.8. Let's write 10. So now t equals to, let's press our calculator. 2 times 3 is 6. Then sine 60. Sine 60. Sine 60 is 0.87 divided by 10. Please, if you are watching this video on TikTok, go to my profile. There is a link that will take you to my YouTube channel. There is a lot of my videos. You can go and learn for free and subscribe. So let's continue. So now we have t equals to 6 times 0.87 divided by 10, which is 0.522 seconds. So this is the time for this tennis ball, which is heated and is moving with this velocity of 3 meters per second to go up and down. So this is the time. So kindly follow, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.